Hi, my name is Josephine from Absentify, the absence management tool fully integrated into Microsoft. And I show you today in our first video together how you create your Absentify workspace within a couple of minutes and even submit your first leave request. Let's get started. Please navigate to our website, absentify.com, and then on the top right, you find the button Start for Free. Please enter your email address. At best, it's a Microsoft email. And then click Continue. Here you're presented with two options, either sign up with Microsoft, which we recommend for a full Microsoft integration, or send me a sign-in code. Today I will continue with sign up with Microsoft. You're redirected to your Microsoft login page. Select your account, please. Then you are presented next with two options. Either you are the first one who will ever set up Absentify for your company, or within your Microsoft tenant, there are already Absentify workspaces. Then this is the second option, join existing team. If you are not sure, please click the link down below. In this case, I will continue with start for my team now. Please choose a company name. Click Continue, select your country and your region, continue and select how big your team is and the role at your company and how you heard about us. Probably the Microsoft App Stores, this is what I will select here. And this was already the last step. Click Continue and you will present with an overview of all the things we just entered. You can check and also use the advanced regional defaults, which is the time zone you can set, or also the default date format, the default time format, 12 or 24 hours, and the default week start. I will set it to Monday here, and the fiscal year start month, which I will leave January, and then click Create My Workspace. Congratulations, your workspace is created. You are presented here with the overview. You're the first one in this workspace, so in the next videos we will learn how to add more users and set up your workspace. But for now, we want to submit your first leave request. So in this overview, you see the calendar and later all the other users who will join your workspace. And you can create a leave request either by clicking simply on any date, or here on the top right, click Create Request. Here you will be presented with a drop-down leave type. We pre-created the most common leave types already in your workspace and you can select from it. In my case, I leave it like vacation. Then from the date picker, choose the start date and the end date. Also, you can select when it shall start in the morning, afternoon, and when it shall end, lunch break or end of day. And the reason. I will go for 2 days to the Bahamas. And now click Send Request. And your absence is created. You will find it here in the calendar with an icon and colored, and you can click on it, hover it, and you will be presented with a summary of the leave request, like the status, the process status, like who approved it, then if it takes from allowance, in this case 2 days, the reason, and also the request created timestamp and who created the request. Also, you have the option here to delete the request. For now, we leave it like it is, and I hope you enjoyed this first video together, and I see you in the next one.